In this video lesson, I will show you what is EURUSD Lot Size Calculator, where you can see also details how to use the lot size calculator, what is and also what is the formula to calculate the lot size based on the risk that you are risking on the specified account balance. The link for the lot size calculator for the EURUSD you can find below in the description, where you also have an article that explains a little bit more details about this lot size calculator. You will see how to calculate units and also lot size for the EURUSD on one of the examples with, for example, 2% of the risk. Let me show you what are the fields inside the EURUSD lot size calculator so you can understand how to use it. Here in the first field you have an instrument where you define a EURUSD as the instrument, but you have a drop-down menu where you can select any other symbol that you would like to use. Then you have here a deposit currency. I'm currently in the US dollars because I have here a trading account on the trading platform with the USD as a account currency, which is a deposit currency. So I will leave this deposit currency as a USD, but you have an option to change that to any other currency. Then you have here a stop loss, which can be defined in number of pips. For example, if you would like to put a stop loss to 55 pips, you can put any number other here. And then you have here the account balance. So if you have a trading account with $10,000, you can put here $10,000. But if you have any other account balance, or you would like to just make a calculation for the testing account, you can put any number here. Then you have the EURUSD 1 pip size, and it tells you on which decimal point in the EURUSD price on the chart is the pip. So if you check here, you can see that the 1 pip is on the 4th decimal point. If you go to the trading platform, you can see that the current market price is 1.0785, and the last number is the 5th digit, which is a pipette. So where the number 5 is, it is the number for 1 pip. So when the 5 number changes, it changes by pip. Then you have here a risk, which you can define to any other number. For example, you can put a risk for in percentage or in the deposit currency. So you can change that by simply selecting here the option. I will leave in percentage because I would like to calculate what is 1% risk on the account balance of the $10,000, which is $100. So with the 55 pips as a stop loss, I would like to know what is a lot size or the volume or the position size that I need to enter in the trade to open the trade with 55 pips with a 1% risk. And you have here a contract size, which is units per lot. For the Forex symbols, it is always one lot is equal to 100,000 units of the base currency. So I will leave this one here because I would like to calculate for the contract size that is equal to this one. Click calculate, and you can see here money at the risk is 1% of the account balance, which is $10,000, so $100. So I would like to risk on this trade $100. So how much of the volume or the lot size or the position size should be large to open this trade? It should be 0.182 for the EURUSD. Let's go to the trading platform and let's open a pending order, which means it will open in the future. But I would like to show you an example with a stop loss take profit, which will be equal to 55 pips. So let's put one price here. For example, let's put price 1.07. I would like to open a buy limit order, and I need to put here the volume 0.18. I cannot put 82 because the third decimal point, the third digit doesn't exist. You will see it will round to 18 later on when I open this trade. Then we have a stop loss, which should be 55 pips. So 55 pips from 1.07 is 1.0645. And let's take profit put to for example, 50 pips. And then click place. Oh, sorry, I need to put here the price. Let's place. Here it is an order that is placed. Here you can see. So the volume here is set to 0.18. It is a rounded number because here we cannot have 3 decimal points. So the trading platform has rounded 1.082 to 1.08, which is okay, fine, but there will be slightly difference in the price for the stop loss, it will not be $100. So let's take a look. For the stop loss, I have put 55 pips and it says that I would lose $99, which is pretty close to $100, which I have set as a 1% of the risk of the trading platform account balance. Then I have also take profit set to 550 pips, which will be equal to $90. So you can see how to use this lot size calculator for the EURUSD. You can calculate what is the volume that you need to open in the trade with a specific number of pips, so based on the risk that you are willing to take on this trade. So you can easily change these values to any other value that is in line with your risk management and to define what is the lot size or the position size for the EURUSD. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!